Check this out, guys. This is Parma, Ohio. Look at the trees. Look at the trees. Look at this. I mean, they do look beautiful, though. Look at this other tree. My neighbor's house. Look at that big old tree up there. Holy smoke. Look how much snow we got. Probably about a foot of snow. Look at this one here. My little bush is covered. Look at this. Completely covered. Look at the handrails. Yo, that's crazy. Look at this little tree right here. I'm out here in shorts, guys. Yeah, call me crazy. Welcome to Ohio. You guys want some snow? Oh yeah.